St. Anthony's at গৈছিলো.
Okay.
That was in
Shillong. Right.
And you know how music crazy, people are crazy out there, you know. So there was one teacher of mine, and she was the lead guitarist of Afflatus band,
Okay.
which was an all-girls band basically. So our college professor asile tekhete, and memor through di moi bahut inspire holo.
Okay.
So tate go I realized that I really want to do something on music. 3 songs has been there.
Okay.
Mane on the media.
Okay.
So others are unreleased yet.
Okay, can you name the songs?
One is Stuck For You, that was my debut single.
Okay.
And then I created one song for the nature that is called Save the Living.
Okay.
And the third is Love Unsaid. So songwriting to keneko ha moi khoday nijor emotions or upore likho.
Right.
I write down on what I'm feeling right now or what I want to feel or how I can write it down on a piece of paper. That is also a huge load.
Of course.
Struggles. There is a lot of struggle basically. Payment to yate alop
Calm hoy.
Problem regarding the payment, there is a huge issues here. Michael Jackson ma bahut bhal pao, and he has always been my favorite. And so Michael Jackson eta gan asile Heal the World boli.
Yes, I love that song.
Hey gantu jodi mur holo eten jodi moi gantu compose korle eten music to iman dhuniya hoy.
Yes, absolutely.
I think I'm totally even though it's old but it's always new in our ears.
True. Welcome back to another episode of Off Script by Truthcast. I welcome Tripti Martin here with us today. Thank you for joining us, Tripti.
Thank you so much. What a pleasant surprise.
So Tripti aru moi friends hoy. Ami agor pora sinaki. Aji aru oloban kotha patu teor professionor bikhoye. She is a musician, self-taught, singer, plus guitarist. Aru kiba?
Hoy goise.
Tumi ebar nijo introduction to di dia.
I'm Tripti Martin, and firstly, thank you, Tanya, for having me here and Truthcast for this beautiful opportunity. Looking forward to have a wonderful conversation with her. And I basically write songs, I compose it, and I do music. That's all. I entertain people with the songs.
Great. So first of all, Tripti, I know a little bit, but I want my audience, I want you to tell the audience, tumhar naam tu, Tripti Martin kyo? Because it sounds like two names.
Yeah. Basically, more original name to hold Tripti Mona.
Okay.
But my Tripti Martin to rakhilu, just I wanted to keep a stage name for myself. And Martin is my father's name.
Okay.
So after my father passed away, because he is the one who have inspired me in music, doing music, and he brought that music into our lives at home. So yeah, I kept his name after my name.
Okay. So since you've mentioned your father, Tripti, I would like you to go back to your childhood and tell us a bit how you started this journey in music. How passionate were you and what kept you going?
Childhood. Today muk itia khuda ki like how I learn music and how do I do all these things. But more itia hosai honestly more monote no pore mane ki kenekwa journey to asile. If you ask me about entire journey, I think I won't be able to answer that. But yes, there are some memories that I definitely remember. Is mane moi পঢ়া শুনা বাদ দি পেলাই অকল গিটাৰটো বজাই থাকিছিল।
Okay.
য'ত মোৰ মা দেউতাহঁতে একচুৱেলি ক'বলগীয়া হৈছিলে কি গিটাৰখন লুকা তাই বুজাই থাকিব, তাত পৰীক্ষাত পাছ নহ'ব দেখোন, সেনেকুৱা টাইপ চিটুৱেশ্যন হৈছিলে। And then yes, my father was really, he was interested to teach me Indian classical music.
Okay. So he was into music as well.
Yes.
Okay.
So Deotar music too, that is also a long story from college days. My dad also used to perform and play the guitar and stuff like that. So my father wanted to make me learn Indian classical music.
Right.
So that's how he put me into Indian classical music. But then moi mane bahut bodmas asilu. Moi class koru nokoru. Because he was very strict about it. Master jita gom pale ki mo classes kora na mo porikha eta miss kori disilu.
Okay.
Second year ot paisilu kiba ke tako porikha miss korilu, rasat music teacher to pura gom pale ki tai porikhai dia nai.
Okay.
That time my father was transferred to Shillong. So ahi pela gom pale je ki porikha dia nai, tai heri korse dori furse ifale moi mane gutte area tut cycle cholai furu.
Okay.
That was what I did. তো সেনেকুৱা হ'ল এণ্ড দেন পিছত কি হ'ল হি ৱাজ ভেৰি ষ্ট্ৰিক্ট এবাউট ইট এণ্ড মোক ঘৰত টিউশ্যন দি দিছিলে লাইক নাও ইউ উইল গ' টু স্কুল অলছ' এণ্ড উইল লাৰ্ণ এট হোম অলছ' চ' মোৰ শ্বিডিউল আৰু টাইট হৈ গ'ল মই এতিয়া ক'তো ফুৰিব চুৰিব
So he really wanted you to pursue music.
Yes, vocal, Indian classical vocal, to you have to graduate.
Correct.
He was very strict about that.
Okay. So when was this? How old were you?
I was around class 9 not my I completed my graduation in Indian classical music, but from class 2 or 3 I was put into the school.
Okay. So so basically you were trained. Etu enukwa nahoy ki ekdome eku training howa nasil.
Indian classical music at my train hoy, so more vocal ar khini idea ase.
তেতিয়া তোমাৰ ফিউচাৰ কাৰণে কিবা আইডিয়া আছিল নে কি মই এইটো কৰিব বিচাৰো বা গান শিকি পেনে মই গানে পাৰচিউ কৰিব বিচাৰো
এনেকুৱা একো ডিচিজন নাছিলে লেটাৰ ইট বিকেম লাইক মাই পেশ্যন মই কেতিয়া ৰিয়েলাইজ কৰিছোঁ দেট ৱাজ আফটাৰ মাই স্কুলিঙৰ পিছত মই গ্ৰেজুৱেশ্যন কৰিব গৈছিলোঁ চেণ্ট এন্থনিজত গৈছিলোঁ দেট ৱাজ ইন
শিলং
and you know how music crazy people are crazy out there you know মানে it's happening place aro so there was one teacher of mine and she was the lead guitarist of Affletus band which was an all girls band basically so amar college or professor asile takhete and memor through moi bahut inspire holo so tate go I realized that I really want to do something on music.
Okay, so itia alop music related questions moi hudu কি তোমাৰ কাৰণে লিৰিক্স আগত আহে নে মেলোডি মানে তুমি যেতিয়া এটা গান বনোৱা তুমি কি ফাৰ্ষ্টত কি ভাবা কেনেকৈ তুমি গানটো ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰা
actually both of them are correlated to each other
right
এতিয়া for example মই যদি ভাবো that something is pinching me from inside I want to jot it down in a piece of paper or something then I think I would go forward with the lyrics and I'll try to put the melody in that
right
and secondly যদি মই ধৰিলা just I'm busy playing my guitar or my keys. So titia I see that there is some kind of a melody that I found that's really different. So I can put that melody again, arrange it, and then I can write the song.
বুজিছে so তোমাৰ song writing তুমি গানো লিখা তোমাৰ নিজৰ গান কেইটা আছে
মোৰ এতিয়ালৈকে 3 songs has been there
okay
মানে on the media
okay
so others are unreleased yet
okay so, can you name the songs
one is Stuck for You that was my debut single
okay
and then I created one song for the nature that is called Save the Living
okay
and the third is Love Unsent
okay so a song writing process to কেনেকুৱা হয় অলপমান briefly বুজাবা নেকি
song writing process
কৰ পৰা তোমাৰ আহে তুমি কি ভাবি মানে গানটো লিখা
that is yeah
মানে তুমি লিৰিক্স বোৰ যেতিয়া লিখা কি ভাবি লিখা মানে মানুহে কয় কি কিছুমানে পেইনৰ পৰা লিখে কিছুমানে হ্যাপিনেছত লিখে ডিফাৰেণ্ট কাইণ্ডছ অফ ইমোশনছ so what do you think তোমাৰ কেনেকুৱা থাকিছিলে সেই টাইমটো তুমি যেতিয়া গানবোৰ লিখা
মই যেতিয়া অলপমান বেছি মানে সোমাই যাওঁ ফৰ এক্সাম্পল যদি কিবা এটা বস্তু ক্ৰিয়েট কৰি আছোঁ then it becomes really difficult for me to understand ki moi ite particularly kihor oporat likhe so I think it's really better to get out of that zone then you can clear out your head and then you can think that yeah I will pursue with this so songwriting to keneko ha moi hoday nijor emotions or oporte likho I write down on what I'm feeling right now or what I want to feel or how it I can মানে write it down on a piece of paper that is also a huge load or
of course
I have to brainstorm a lot so eneka hoy but yeah it's a process where you need to use your creativity so definitely we need to think about it a lot
to pen down so মই এটা কথা সুধিব বিচাৰিম is there a certain kind of emotion that you want your audience to feel when they are listening to you or your songs কিবা এনেকুৱা পাৰ্টিকুলাৰ এটা কিবা ইমোশন তুমি মানে ভাবা নেকি কি কমনলি হ'ব পাৰে
I think people should be able to feel what I feel through my songs
yeah
so I want to make them feel like what have I gone through or what I am going through or what I can go
so you
through.
try your best to
I try my best to let them know how emotions work while writing songs
okay so in your journey in your musical journey you've been an independent artist হিচাপে তুমি কৰি আছা তুমি পাৰফৰ্ম কৰা গুৱাহাটী গুৱাহাটী not পুৰা আৰ্টিষ্ট তো চাগে কৰা
কৰোঁ
চ' তাতে তোমাৰ ষ্ট্ৰাগলছ কেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ পাইছা তুমি
struggles. There is a lot of struggle basically. First to hold je audiences are bahut dhoroner audience thake. So right now if I try to go into a western kind of a music, tomar Guwahati taneke iman bahut kome jaga ase je manhe okol western music shune. But yes, there are some places coming out. Etia Bollywood ganu lage. So that is one struggle ki mane tumar set list to tumi eta genre loi pele decide korisa. But then again your set list you need to change
because of audiences
and we really care for the audiences. We want them to listen to all kinds of music,
right?
So we tend to entertain the audience that way. And second struggle is that payment to yate alop mane kom hoy. Problem regarding the payment, there is a huge issues here. And thirdly tumar hol je supportive matter to there is a
from the environment bahi tumar usorar
from the and mane
manuhor mane etu line or manuhor
yes
right
etu line or manuhor
mane competition ase niki eta
competition to ase definitely there is a competition but there are very less people who support a person to go to music aro hetu
okay so have you in
while
the
in
journey
other places bahirot aro it is hugely supported
okay so you've seen that difference
yes
and have you doubted yourself ever in this line ki ma noarim niki nohobo niki survive koribo noarim niki just music kori
of course hetu thought to sobor I think all the musicians have this thought with them and all the musicians have felt that
right
but I would definitely encourage all the musicians to go forward I think nijor passion is different moi hetue ajiloke mane realize korilo je whatever you do whatever even if you are working here or you are working there or whatever it is your thing is always going to be there
right
inside you and tumi jodi nokora later you are going to regret it
correct
that why didn't I do it
so you were quite persistent
I basically did my graduation in journalism
okay
masters of my mass media te korisu
okay
so it's more or less related to music
right
our musicians so asile our friends and everything but then hetu professionally ma nokori pelai I have opted for doing music
and okay right so hebur alman sacrifices ahise life ot music or karne can you tell us a little bit about your favorite part about performing live
my favorite part about performing live
ki bhal lage live performance
jita openly perform kobo paru sobor agote aro jitia without disturbing the entire set list I can perform and that's the huge satisfaction I get
okay
that's the thing
so is there some unforgettable mane stage moments junu tumi share koribo bisarisa amar audience or logot
actually stage ot uthibole karone mor itia bu nervous feel hoy still I'm nervous about moi jimane 100 bar ma stage ot uthile moi bahut nervous
yet you are nervous
yes I am nervous but mane kenekwa hoy ketiaba you have musicians and all people around you who make you feel really comfortable and also
that's
the crowd
thing, yeah
I love them when
they cheer for you
who cheer for us and mane he comfortable feel june muk stage ot korai I perform mane openly or I perform for the people and
I get it
for myself as well
so now I would like to ask you is there a song which তুমি রিলেট কৰা যদি তুমি আৰু উইশ কৰা কি এই গানটো যদি মই লিখিলো হয় যদি এটো মোৰ গান হল
I think it's a difficult question but yes for some time let me imagine myself in a bigger stage
okay
so Michael Jackson ma bahut bhal pao and he has always been my favorite and so Michael Jackson eta gan asile Heal the World boli
yes I love that song
he gan to jodi mur holo heten jodi moi mane gan to compose korle heten music to iman dhunia hoy
yes absolutely
I think I'm totally mane even though it's old but it's always new in our ears
true
so that's the song I would prefer
very nice choice moi pahori gosilu gandu kotha aji monon pori gol tar bisot aru enukwa eta gan jundu tumi bhaba tumak describe kore
muk describe kore dangerous
okay
no absolutely not so maybe kisuman John Mayer songs
Right.
I relate it to myself. এটা properly নাম এটাৰ গান এটাৰ নাম মোৰ মনত পৰা নাই, but I think I have totally changed my entire taste when I listen to John Mayer মানে.
Okay.
So more I want to become someone like him,
Okay.
playing the guitar on stage and singing মানে.
Interesting. So when you write a song, you prefer চাহ খাই পিনে কৰা নে late night তুমি শুই মানে নুশুই পিনে লিখি পিনে হেৰি কৰা?
Depends on the situation. যদি মোৰ এটা বস্তু বহুত ইণ্টাৰেষ্টিং লাগে ক্ৰিয়েট কৰি মেবি মই গোটেই ৰাতি কামো কৰিব পাৰোঁ। এণ্ড য়েছ মোৰ এনেকুৱা বহুত টাইম মানে গৈছে য'ত মই এনাৰ্জি ড্ৰিংক খাই মানে কাম কৰিছোঁ। এণ্ড কফিটো খাওঁ মাজে মাজে when I work, but that gives me really a boost আৰু। The taste of coffee is nice.
Okay, so Tripti, তুমি এনেকুৱা এটা কি এডভাইচ দিব বিচাৰিবা য়াংষ্টাৰ্ছখিনিক যোনে এতিয়া মিউজিক শিকি আছে আৰু যোনে মাজত গিভ আপ কৰিলে যেনেকৈ তুমি কৰিছিলা তোমাৰ টাইমত। চ' তুমি এনেকুৱা এটা কি এডভাইচ দিবা কি তুমি নিশিকিলেও তোমাৰ ভিতৰত ইউ হেভ দ্যাট থিং যদি আছে ইউ কেন ডু ইট মানে এনেকুৱা কি?
Of course. So I think consistency is the key, and never stop creating. Creating is very important for all the people actually, not only for the musicians.
In every field.
In every field. Creative can be anything, anywhere, and consistency, I think it leads to success.
Right. Also, what does success mean to you?
Success means to me very successful.
Like what?
Okay.
So let's talk about your field. মানে তুমি এতিয়া যি কৰি আছা তোমাৰ bigger plans কি ইয়াৰ পিছত?
I have a plan like creating my own music.
Okay.
So that's what I'm working on. At least নিজৰ ফালেদি তুমি ইমানখিনি ট্ৰাই কৰিব পাৰা that use your own imagination and creation, and then you give it to people, and then it's their decision if they like. Thank you so much.
That was so lovely, Tripti.
Thank you so much for having me here. It was a lovely time spent with you.
Yes, had an amazing conversation with you. I'm sure the audience has loved you. Also, keep inspiring, keep creating like you say. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for another episode of Off Script by Truecast.